Hey Corey, this is Scott with Impact Link SEO from BNI. Just making this video to kind of show you things that I do to help auto glass companies and see if this would be a good fit for you. So I always start with your website and then I go kind of through Google Ads, their GBPs, and different things that we could do. So for starters on your website, I do love that you have some video on here, and then also I really like your logo. So really cool on that. But one thing I would recommend for your website is to add more content. The reason I say that is because Google wants to see 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. And throughout that content, you want to be found for buyer intent keywords. And for me, that usually means service and also location. So like, windshield repair, Ponderay, Idaho, or I don't know exactly all the cities nearby, but if there's, Bonner or Boundary County, windshield replacement, Ponderay County, that would work too. The other thing you could do is if you save your images correctly, instead of it saying about us right here, I could say specialty auto glass, and then windshield replacement. Those count as content behind the pictures as well. So I do use a tool called Ahrefs to show me your analytics and kind of tell me where you're setting. The DR and the UR is the strength and trust that Google has for your website. These are on a scale of 100, and you want these to continuously be moving up while also balanced. And you're currently at 2 and 4, and that's due to your referring pages and domains, which are backlinks. And if you don't know what a backlink is, it's when one website links to another website via a clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal, so try and stay relevant to your industry and location whenever possible. And it looks like you're being indexed for 27 keywords. We look at some of those. Windshield replacement standpoint, there's 40 searches, you're in the second position, and you're getting 15 people to your website roughly each month due to that one keyword. So those are the types of buyer intent keywords that I do recommend trying to rank for. Near me's don't really count because I could look up new windshield near me in Utah, and then that wouldn't really count because I'm not really trying to be a person to get, like, you're not trying to get me as a new client in Utah. Windshield replacement, like if that had Idaho in it or something like that, that would be a good one too. But I just did a search for windshield replacement Ponderay, and this popped up for you. So this is usually how I help a lot of auto glass companies, is through the ads. And as you can see, it says windshield replacement right here, but it doesn't say a location. So when you can say as much of the keywords that you have going for you in this section right here, the better off it is. And the thing is, Safelight's like the only one here. So this is kind of where I would be able to help you, get some more business by running your Google Ads. On top of that, you also want to make sure to group your ad groups thematically. So you want windshield replacement, windshield repair. Those are two different things. Auto glass replacement is different from windshield replacement. So like, there's lots of different ways that you can kind of make that happen. But just to kind of show you, this is one of the campaigns I'm running right now, and we are at a 10% click-through rate. We've got 360 phone calls and a 37% conversion rate. So that's kind of how I'm helping a lot of auto glass companies, and a conversion counts as a phone call or a form submit. And looking down into the Google Business Profile, it looks like you are already here, which is great. You could always continue to get more reviews and add more posts and pictures so that it's not just in your area, but in your surrounding areas as well. And then you are also number 1 and 3 for this particular keyword, so good job. But just kind of looking at your competitors here, this would be your competitor, which honestly, they have a little bit more content, but they do have a lot more backlinks, and this is probably a national company as well, so they have a lot more keywords and traffic. So, but yeah, the main part for you would be for the ads, because you're doing so well with the ranking your website and your Google Business Profile. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and we could get on a discovery call, see if it would be a good fit together. Thanks, have a good one. Bye.